And I'm going to actually do something really unusual, and I'm going to invite you to attend one of Donald Trump's rallies, because it's a really interesting thing to watch. You will see during the course of his rallies, he talks about fictional characters like Hannibal Lecter. He will talk about windmills cause cancer. And what you will also notice is that people start leaving his rallies early out of exhaustion and boredom. And I will tell you, the one thing you will not hear him talk about is you. You will not hear him talk about your needs, your dreams, and your desires. And I'll tell you, I believe you deserve a president who actually puts you first, and I pledge to you that I will.
People start leaving. People don't go to her rallies. There's no reason to go. And the people that do go, she's bussing them in and paying them to be there, and then showing them in a different light. So she can't talk about that. People don't leave my rallies. We have the biggest rallies, the most incredible rallies in the history of politics. That's because people want to take their country back. Our country is being lost. We're a failing nation. And it happened 3.5 years ago. And what's going on here, you're going to end up in World War III, just to go into another subject. What they have done to our country by allowing these millions and millions of people to come into our country, and look at what's happening to the towns all over the United States. And a lot of towns don't want to talk. It's not going to be Aurora or Springfield. A lot of towns don't want to talk about it because they're so embarrassed by it. In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country, and it's a shame. As far as rallies are concerned, as far as the reason they go is they like what I say. They want to bring our country back. They want to make America great again. It's a very simple phrase, make America great again. She's destroying this country, and if she becomes president, this country doesn't have a chance of success. Not only success, we'll end up being Venezuela on steroids.
During the first presidential debate on Tuesday night, September 10th, U.S. Vice President and Democratic presidential candidate Kamala Harris took a jab at former President Donald Trump, targeting his campaign rallies. Harris remarked that attendees frequently leave Trump's rallies before they conclude, and the former president was quick to respond. "I'm going to do something unusual and invite you to attend one of Donald Trump's rallies, as it's quite an interesting spectacle," Harris said. "You'll observe that during these rallies, he discusses fictional characters like Hannibal Lecter and makes claims such as windmills causing cancer. But most notably, you'll notice people leaving early out of exhaustion and boredom," she added. "And one thing you certainly won't hear him talk about is you." Trump, visibly irritated by the comments, diverted from the debate's current question to address Harris's remarks. "Let me respond to the rallies," Trump interjected. "She claimed people started leaving, but nobody attends her rallies. There's no reason to. And the ones who do, they're bussed in, paid to be there, and then presented in a different light.